Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We're so glad to have you here. Today, we're talking about side hustles. These are the perfect ways to boost your income. You know, those ways to make some extra cash on the side. Maybe you want an extra $1,000 a month, or maybe you're looking to turn it into a full-time thing. The possibilities are endless. Either way, I've got you covered with tips and strategies. I've used what I call the side hustle pyramid to go from broke college dropout to millionaire in my 20s. It's a proven method that works. In this video, I'll walk you through the 3 levels of the pyramid, explain what I did at each stage, and give you 9 up-to-date side hustle ideas to get you started. So, let's dive in and explore these opportunities together. Level 1: Service-based side hustles. I always recommend starting with service-based side hustles because they don't require any money upfront, and they lay the foundation for the rest of the pyramid. These hustles are perfect for testing the waters and gaining valuable experience. When I started, I did everything from washing cars to mowing lawns. These tasks taught me the value of hard work and customer satisfaction. But if you're not a fan of manual labor, there are great online options too. Here are 3 ideas that can be done from the comfort of your home. Video editing. There's a huge demand for good video editors. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. But remember, being a good editor is about more than just technical skills. You also need to be a storyteller who can engage viewers and bring their vision to life. Graphic design. Graphic design is where art meets business. It's about creating visually appealing graphics that communicate ideas. This field is easy to excel in if you have common sense, communication skills, and creativity. Plus, the demand for quality design work is always high. Writing. While some writers struggle, others make a great living. The key is to write what's in demand. This could be website copy, emails, social media posts, or even scripts for videos. The more versatile you are, the more opportunities you'll find. Tip: no matter which service you choose, having a website is crucial. It acts as your online storefront, showcasing your skills and building credibility. A well-designed website can set you apart from the competition. There are website builders that use AI to make this easy and affordable. These tools can help you create a professional-looking site without needing any technical skills. Level 2: Attention-based side hustles. Attention is incredibly valuable online, and you can use it to your advantage with attention-based side hustles. Here are 3 ideas to get you started. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate. You can find affiliate partnerships on platforms like impact.com. The key is to find products that complement your content and that you genuinely believe in. Consistency and trust are crucial for success in this field. Content curation. This involves finding interesting content online and sharing it on your social media pages. It's a great way to build a community without having to create all the content yourself. Once you have a following, you can partner with brands or even sell your own products. This method allows you to become a trusted source of information. Content creation. Yes, even creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can be a side hustle. The key is to provide value, be authentic, and connect with your audience. There's a lot to learn about growing a channel, but it can be incredibly rewarding. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into profit. Level 3: Product-based side hustles. Product-based side hustles can be very profitable, but they often require more upfront investment. Here are 2 ideas. Digital products. This is a great option if you have a skill or knowledge you can share. You could create an online course, ebook, or even a subscription service. E-commerce. This involves selling physical products online. You can choose between dropshipping, where you don't hold inventory, or traditional e-commerce, where you manage your own stock. Whichever method you choose, building your own brand is essential. There you have it, 9 side hustle ideas to get you started. Remember, if you put in the work, it's very possible to make $1,000 a month from any of these. And don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you grow your wealth.